Welcome back, my friends. It has been a while since I updated you on the latest developments in the cryptocurrency market. Today, Bitcoin fell to its lowest level in 2 years. Binance has now abandoned its deal to bail out FTX. What is going on with FTX and Binance? Binance is the biggest centralized cryptocurrency exchange in the world. And, until now at least, FTX was one of its largest competitors. Last week, Binance announced that it would acquire FTX. Initially, this was seen as something of a bailout of FTX. But, in a surprise move today, Binance announced that it would scrap its plans. As things stand right now, Binance will not acquire FTX. This sent shockwaves through the market because FTX may not survive. The crash in cryptocurrency prices shows no signs of slowing. But, where will it stop? What is the real value of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptocurrencies? What does this mean for the US economy? And, what does this mean for the future of the United States? But, before we get into all of that, please hit the like button and leave us a comment below. We would love to hear from you. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you are notified of upcoming videos when they are released. Cryptocurrencies extended their decline for a second consecutive day today. The crypto world and the market absorbed what might be the potential collapse of the popular crypto exchange FTX. Cryptocurrency prices were weakening at the beginning of the trading day. And they plummeted in the late afternoon following the announcement. Binance, the largest global cryptocurrency exchange by volume, backtracked on its plans to acquire Sam Bankman-Fried's FTX. Binance claims that a due diligence examination revealed reports of mishandled customer funds. Also, there were allegations of potential U.S. agency investigations of FTX. Bitcoin fell 12% before the 4:30 p.m. market close. Bitcoin sunk to just under $16,000 for the first time in recent memory. That price has not been seen since November 2020. If you recall, Bitcoin peaked at an all-time high of $68,982.20 1 year ago. Ethereum fell by 14% to $1,128.87. The Bankman-Fried empire seems to have basically self-destructed. Last week, a report showed that a huge portion of the balance sheet had been concentrated in FTX token, FTT. FTX token is the native token of the FTX trading platform. After learning of the problem with Bankman-Fried, Binance CEO Changpeng Zhao decided to sell the FTT that it had owned. And he simultaneously announced it on Twitter. That led to a run on the popular FTX exchange and, as you might imagine, a liquidity crisis. FTX has some of the most notable names in finance: SoftBank, BlackRock, Tiger Global, Thoma Bravo, Sequoia, and Paradigm. Wow, what a list of investors, who might lose quite a lot. FTT fell by an additional 63% today. That is after plunging by more than 75% yesterday. The Solana token continued its decline as well. The Solana token is yet another cryptocurrency. It is a blockchain platform preferred because of its speed and efficiency. Solana tokens are the native cryptocurrency of the Solana platform. Solana tokens are used to pay its transaction fees. Solana launched in 2017. Since then, Solana has grown to be one of the largest cryptocurrencies in the world. At the end of the trading day today, Solana was down 45%. And that is after dropping more than 26% Tuesday. Alameda Research was one of the early backers of the Solana cryptocurrency project. Alameda Research is owned by, guess who, Sam Bankman-Fried. And Sam Bankman-Fried also runs FTX. Market factors such as providing SOL token liquidity as well as support for Solana ecosystem projects on FTX exchange has been an important driver for Solana's success, Bernstein's Gautam Chagani said in a note to clients. This is an adverse event for the Solana ecosystem in the short run, Chagani continued. Further, given FTX Alameda's balance sheet situation, there may be near-term pressure on its Solana holdings. As the situation resolves, Chagani continued further. This latest bombshell will definitely send the crypto industry reeling. Cryptocurrency analysts are predicting further regulatory scrutiny of offshore exchanges. Ask me why I am not surprised. The majority of crypto derivatives trading occurs someplace other than the United States. So far, it is not clear how much financial contagion will spill over into the rest of the market. Bankman-Fried, for some reason, had recently been praised as something of a white knight in the cryptocurrency industry. At one point, Bankman-Fried came to the rescue of crypto service firms BlockFi and Voyager. BlockFi and Voyager both succumbed to the crypto contagion this past spring. SBF and FTX became famous in the cryptocurrency industry. So famous that they were able to purchase the naming rights to the Miami Heat basketball team's stadium last year. Given the public-facing nature of FTX CEO Sam Bankman-Fried and the size of FTX, we believe that the week's events could cause some loss of consumer confidence in the crypto industry, KBW analysts said in a note to clients. Beyond that seen in the aftermath of the 3AC, Celsius, and Voyager events that took place earlier this year, especially if panic spreads and crypto prices keep dropping, the KBW note continued. It may take time for customers to regain trust in the industry, the KBW note also said. If you follow cryptocurrency, you probably already know that there have been a number of disasters recently. Core Scientific, one of the largest publicly traded crypto mining companies in the U.S., raised the possibility of bankruptcy in a statement filed with the Securities and Exchange Commission. The company also disclosed that it will not make its debt payments coming due in late October and early November. Core's stock was down as much as 77% on Thursday following the filing, and has lost more than 97% of its value to date. This week, Core Scientific raised the possibility that it may declare bankruptcy. Core Scientific is not widely known. That it is one of the biggest publicly traded crypto mining companies in the U.S. Core Scientific filed a statement with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission. In the statement, Core Scientific said that it will not make its upcoming debt payments. The company has debt payments coming due in late October and early November. Shares in Core Scientific fell almost 80% following the filing. Core Scientific went public through what is called a special purpose acquisition company, otherwise known as an SPAC. An SPAC is basically an empty company that starts by listing its stock on a public stock exchange. Then, the SPAC has up to 18 months to find a merge partner that is actually a real company with real business operations. If the SPAC cannot find a merge partner within 18 months, it must delist itself from the public stock exchange. But, if the SPAC does find a merge partner, then that merge partner can instantly become a public company without going through the typical public listing process. The market capitalization of Core Scientific is now just $90 million. That is down from a $4.3 billion enterprise valuation back in July 2021 when it first became a public company. Shares in Core Scientific have plummeted more than 97% so far this year. The crypto crash rages on. But, why is the cryptocurrency market crashing? Cryptocurrency projects have collapsed and bankruptcies have occurred across the crypto industry. But, what do you think? Please hit the like button and leave a comment below. We would love to hear from you. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you are notified of upcoming videos when they are released. Please share this video on social media. Thank you for watching.